sauteing up some bell pepper and onion in some coconut oil. I like this soft. Next, we added in about 2 cloves of garlic, 1 plum tomato, also known as Roma tomato, and a few sprigs of thyme. Mix well until the garlic is fragrant. At this point, we're going to go ahead and season. We're going to add some salt and some cayenne. Now, the reason why I normally just add salt and cayenne is because I actually enjoy the flavors of the veggies themselves, so I don't like to douse it with too much seasoning. And then optional, you can add a little bit of Mrs. Dash as well. I normally don't add this, but I feel like adding a little today. I had forgotten to add green onion, so I just went ahead and add that in. And we're now going to add the ackee. Before we add the ackee, this is what we're working with. Fresh is better, but I'm using what is available to me, and I'm going to strain that. Ackee is very delicate, so now we're going to gently mix all the ingredients together. Everything is seasoned and combined. We're now just going to cover this and simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, and I want to just kind of show what it's looking like.
20 minutes later.
Made my plate, and today's produce, we have turnip again, green banana, pumpkin, and I added my favorite yam, which is white yam.